거구의 남자 한 명이 작은 남자를 유혹하는데
Shaking like a leaf. Sit down.
상대방도 적극적으로 반응하기 시작하죠.
Sit down, cowboy.
바로 그때 과연 이들은 어떤 관계인 걸까요? 메카닉 지금 바로 시작합니다. 어느 착륙장에 전용기 한 대가 도착했고 남성 한 명이 내려서 여러 차량의 경호를 받으며 차를 타고 이동하는데 곧이어 대저택에 도착한 남성은 착용하고 있던 시계를 벗고 수영복으로 갈아입은 후 수영을 하게 됩니다. 그런데 수영을 하던 중에 방에 놔뒀을 자신의 시계가 수영장 바닥에 떨어진 것을 보게 된 남자. 바로 그때 괴한이 나타나 그의 목을 조르기 시작하고 결국 남자는 제대로 된 저항도 하지 못한 채 목숨을 거두고 말죠. 그리고 남자를 제거한 괴한은 바로 비숍. 잘못하면 모든 것이 들통날 수 있는 숨막히는 일촉즉발의 상황. 그는 재빨리 옷을 갈아입고 미리 준비해둔 짐을 챙겨 저택을 빠져나옵니다. 곧이어 강물로 뛰어드는 비숍. 그렇게 그는 지나가던 보트에 몸을 맡긴 채 여유롭게 그곳을 벗어나죠. 이후 차를 타고 선착장 한 곳에 도착하게 되는데 보트를 타고 도착한 곳은 바로 그의 은신처였고 사람들의 눈에 잘 띄지 않는 곳에 위치해 있었죠.
What I do requires a certain mindset. I do assignments, designated targets. Others must cast suspicion on someone else. A select few need to send a clear message. Pulling a trigger is easy. So the ones, nobody ever knows you were there.
간단하게 식사를 마친 비숍은 누군가를 만나기 위해 차를 타고 식당 한 곳으로 이동합니다.
Fuck do I let you drag me out to this shithole?
Hard to remember two fellows passing through.
Everything went okay?
It got done.
You're a goddamn machine. Give you those jobs that could get a little hairy because no loose ends, fait accompli. Differently than I do, differently than anybody does. But you got a problem, Arthur. Oh, then you're in deeper shit than I thought.
So how's Stephen?
Goddamn disappointment. Always has been, always will be.
Yeah, he probably needs to hear from you.
Yeah. Let's go. I got your money.
대화를 마친 후 비숍은 근처에 있는 술집으로 향하죠.
Very good. Nice.
잠시 후 춤을 추고 있는 여자 한 명과 시선을 교환하는데
Come on, dance with me.
여자의 계속되는 유혹에 비숍은 결국 넘어가게 됩니다.
About you.
I gotta go.
You ever gonna tell me your name?
Arthur.
More like David or Brad. Yeah, see you, Brad.
다음 날 아침 새로운 의뢰를 준비하기 위해 관련 정보를 찾기 시작했는데 그때 함께 일하던 해리가 업로드한 구인 공고를 보게 되죠.
Global Engineering.
Calling about the ad. There must be a mistake.
The advertisement was proved.
I want a meeting.
Mr. Bishop, Mr. Dean has agreed to a meeting. You'll be allowed 15 minutes. The jet will then return you.
You scared your mother to death. You grounded for 2 weeks. Just 1 second.
통화를 하는 동안 잠깐 기다리는 비숍.
Nice ring. How do I get one of those?
You can't, unless you're a world champion.
Just tell him to come out and fix it, honey.
곧이어
Let's take a walk. 6 months ago, we were commissioned to underprofile than we're normally comfortable with. Someone knew everything. I assigned a team of 5 operatives. All 5 were killed.
I knew this one, Sebastian.
2 people knew the details here. Me and Harry McKenna. Take a look at recent offshore deposits. Harry sold us out. Every day that he's alive puts this company in danger. Now, we would all prefer that you handle this. We don't want to go to an outside source, but we will if we have to. 48 hours, or we'll proceed without you.
같은 시각 해리는 삼엄한 경호 속에 자신의 사무실에서 업무로 보고 있었죠. 그날 저녁 사실 확인을 위해 딘이 말한 사건에 관한 정보를 확인한 비숍. 그는 지금까지 함께 일해온 해리를 처치해야 한다는 사실에 깊은 고민을 하게 되는데
Yeah.
Get out of the building, Harry.
Arthur?
They're coming for you tonight. Take whatever you can use against them and get out.
그렇게 해리는 비숍이 시키는 대로 필요한 물건들을 챙겨 비상용 엘리베이터로 향합니다.
To the service elevator before the emergency power comes on. This elevators have to work on a separate power source. The elevator will take 18 seconds to get there. It leads to an underground parking lot. Been fitted in this building yet, so they'll be blind.
잠시 후 지하 주차장에 도착한 해리.
Oh, shit. Got me to circumvent my own security, huh? Yeah. So what's the story here? Up on blocks?
Something like that.
Editorial revision. I get off a couple of shots. There's a struggle. At least I don't go down looking like a pussy. That's the first time I ever fired it. I have to live with it.
Why didn't you kill me?
And just send somebody else. I would rather it was you, Arthur.
결국 해리는 비숍의 손에 의해 처리되었고 비숍은 그를 처리한 이후 이전과 다른 감정에 휘말리게 됩니다. 며칠 뒤 해리의 아들 스티브는 아버지의 무덤 앞에서 서성이다 비숍과 마주치는데
Arthur fucking Bishop. It's a long time.
Sorry for your loss.
그렇게 짧은 인사를 마친 두 사람. 비숍은 조용히 자신의 차로 발걸음을 옮기죠. 바로 그때
Hey, would you give me a ride to my father's house?
Your father talks about you a lot.
Bit of rest, would you?
Regrets, Stephen.
Yeah, he could have picked up the phone anytime. I want to show you something. I loved this place as a kid. I don't know if you have a picture of him, but I found it.
Looks like you're not planning on sticking around.
Accounts are empty. Bank's gonna take the house. Fucking thing left.
Need some money?
No, thanks. Probably get me through on to the next spot. I was thinking about going out in carjackers tonight. Get lucky, find the guys that killed my dad.
Sleep it up, Steve.
Bishop, what kind of person shoots someone in a wheelchair anyway?
그날 저녁 스티브는 비숍에게 말한 대로 차량 절도범을 잡기 위해 차에 앉아 그들이 오기만을 기다리고 있었고
Hey, you need some help?
Friend, and I might have gotten the address wrong. The address got me wrong.
Maybe. Nice car, man. Nice car.
Thanks.
Can I have it?
Carjacker, did you shoot him with this?
Hey! Bad move. Hope you think this through, did you, Stephen? Make us come looking for you. Get out of here. Might as well paint a bullseye on your back. Get out of here.
비숍에게 제지당한 스티브. 그는 복수를 잠시 멈추고 곧바로 집으로 향하게 됩니다. 다음 날 비숍은 마트에서 장을 보고 나오고 있었고 그 앞을 지나가던 스티브는 급하게 차를 세우는데
I was thinking about what you were saying the other night. I want to know what you know. Garney's left me with fucking nothing. You owe me now.
Go home, Steve.
스티브의 부탁을 거절하는 비숍. 그는 그대로 차를 타고 떠나버리는데 그날 저녁 집으로 돌아온 비숍은 해리의 사진 한 장을 쳐다보며 생각에 잠깁니다. 한편 스티브에게 한 통의 전화가 걸려오는데
8600 Alvarado Street, 7 a.m. tomorrow.
그 전화는 비숍이 건 것이었고 다음 날 아침 그가 말한 장소로 향하죠.
What is this place?
Animal shelter. Look for a dog like this. Under a year if possible. You know what a mechanic is outside its obvious definition?
A hitman. I could do that. I've seen some shit.
No, you haven't.
You know shit about me, Bishop.
Your mother died when you was 12 and made sure of pain meds in Miami that was rescinded upon a conviction of possession. Broke your kneecap in a street fight. Oh, boy. A friend here would like to adopt this little fellow.
두 사람은 강아지를 입양했고 곧이어 이야기를 나누는데
What I do requires a certain mindset. More stupid stunts like the other night. Walk it, feed it, make it your best friend. 11 Fisher Square.
그렇게 임무를 시작하게 된 스티브.
Take the dog to the coffee shop on Riverdale. Table by the window and do the Sudoku puzzle in the paper every day for the next 3 weeks. Practice on this. A lot of that comes from bad judgment. Hands under the boxes. Help yourself.
며칠 뒤 난이도 높은 훈련을 보여주겠다며 어디론가 향합니다.
Who's that?
He's good.
I gotta tell you, man, I'm a little skittish right now. It's a lot of shit to win, you know?
Now's not a good time.
All this might win.
As soon as possible.
Take me a day to make it happen.
Just thought you should see one up close. Follow me.
Who was he?
Makes you feel better. He was an illegal arms dealer. A job. Nothing more, nothing less.
곧이어
It's the file. All yours.
Guy from the coffee shop?
His only routine is coffee every morning from 9 to 10. He's a mechanic for another group. No way in without him seeing us coming. Chihuahuas, boys. He's checked you out over the past 6 weeks and found no connection to you in this world. The first thing he'll do is ask you.
Want to get a drink with me?
Your answer should be
Yeah.
Flunitrazepam.
Roofie.
2 to 3 drops he's woozy. It's in his brain dead in under 3 minutes. Do it in the bar. Make it clean.
그리고 그날 저녁 스티브는 그 남자와 함께 바에서 술을 마시게 되었고 남자가 잠깐 자리를 비운 사이 작전을 시작하려 하는데
Don't mess around with this guy. Do it in the bar. Make it clean.
I really should go to bed, but it was very fun.
Hey, you all right?
How are you?
I'm good, man. Come on. Get in. I want to show you something.
결국 차를 타고 남자의 집까지 따라오게 되고
You paint?
Yeah, it's more of a hobby, really. This is the place I'm most proud of right here.
Who's this guy?
14th century Buddha was a bitch. You know, good friends that make a difference.
잠시 후 남자는 정체를 드러내죠.
Shaking like a leaf. Sit down. All right. Sit down, cowboy.
그렇게 남자를 처리하고 비숍의 집에 도착한 스티브.
Tell you to make it clean.
다음 날 또 다른 의뢰를 받게 된 비숍은 공항에 도착해서 작은 상자 하나를 가지고 밖으로 향했고 곧이어 차에서 그 상자를 열어보는데
Yeah.
Vigil to complete your assignment. That's a violation of our arrangement.
I was with Harry. You and I don't have one.
This job needs to be done immediately. The client's willing to pay a premium for it.
I'll look it over.
집에 도착한 비숍은 바로 자료를 수집했고 때마침 스티브도 집 안으로 들어와 함께 정보를 확인하죠.
5 years old, calls himself. Basically, he is running a cult. Adrenaline shot to the heart and he's dead under 3 minutes.
So on the off chance our adrenaline shot doesn't kill him,
First thing they do is jam you with a shot of epinephrine,
it's toxic when combined with.
adrenaline. He left a Bible study group with a young devout body until 2 weeks later. An abortion was telling her friends it was $22 million to hush it up. Soup, salad, sandwich, double chocolate cake. You're still eating. Found us someone more attractive to spy on.
본격적인 작전을 시작하는 비숍과 스티브.
We're all clear.
How do you feel, boss? How do you think I feel? Where's Frank?
잠시 후 누군가 방문을 두드리는 소리가 나고
I have the spirit's work to do.
Spirits are going to work in your favor. The guy's a junkie.
Ketamine counteracts adrenaline. This won't work now.
Ask this, but
Wait.
If he comes back in here, listen up.
Leave your gloves on.
hey,
Get the scope. Down this far. He's the chunky.
Remind parishioners. Courage. And then I...
Christ.
Ralph, get in here.
Is he dead?
Yes, he's dead.
바로 이때
Go check it out. Take it off the wall. They're in the wall! Give me 2 guys on the roof now!
겨우 살아남은 두 사람은 여유롭게 건물을 빠져나가게 됩니다.
Midway I'll fly out of the Herald meet with the house tomorrow.
그날 저녁 공항에 도착한 비숍은 비행기를 타기 위해 잠시 의자에 앉아 기다리고 있었는데
All 5 were killed.
죽은 줄만 알았던 요원 한 명이 멀쩡히 살아있었고 공항에서 비숍에게 발견되고 맙니다. 곧이어
When does this leave?
10 to 15 minutes.
Doesn't give us much time then. I don't know what you're doing alive. Where's the rest of your team?
They're dead. Dean paid me a very large amount of money to kill the others. Fake my death, disappear. Harry was getting suspicious about it blowing up and had to be taken care of. It's not the fact that you killed him, is it? So easily. That's what bothers you.
그렇게 모든 상황을 알게 된 비숍. 그는 복수를 하기 위해 서둘러 집으로 향했죠. 그런데 선착장의 평소와는 다른 분위기가 감돌았고 선착장 주인도 오늘은 보이지 않았죠. 바로 그때
Well,
Not so good for your side. Save the fuel. Coming for you.
곧이어 스티브에게 전화를 거는 비숍.
Where are you?
I'm in the living room.
Guessing you're not alone. Left side cushion. It's loaded and the safety's off.
All right, I'll see you when you get here.
스티브가 적을 처치한 사이 비숍은 집에 도착했는데
Gear on the top shelf and put it in the boat.
그렇게 장비를 챙기기 시작하던 스티브는 떨어진 보관함에서 아버지의 물건을 발견하게 되죠.
You ever think about the people you've killed?
No.
You ever kill someone you know?
Yes.
Did it feel any different?
After.
Make peace? Time to prepare?
There's no peace.
Not to let them know when you're coming.
Yes.
차에서 대화를 이어나가던 두 사람. 곧이어 딘을 경호하는 핀치의 집에 도착하게 됩니다.
Where's Dean? Fingers.
Tell him what he wants to know.
Okay! Where he is, I swear!
Oh God, you're a bastard.
잠시 후
Yes,
How much was Harry's life worth?
Harry's death was business. Pure and simple. And the killer grows a conscience. You think you can get to me before I get to you?
Well, it's not going to be so simple now. I already have.
Where's conference room E?
Or upstairs, sir.
비숍은 딘이 밖으로 나오도록 유인하기 위해 회선을 조작하여 건물 안에 있는 것처럼 위장했고 딘을 처치하기 위해 철저한 준비를 하고 있었죠.
Five, Bishop.
Nothing yet.
Disappear?
Want a water?
이때 스티브가 해리의 총을 가지고 있다는 것을 알게 된 비숍.
I've always had this, and now I feel like I could always go into business for myself. I think I would miss this if I had to stop now. Vengeance is the mission.
그렇게 주유소에 도착한 두 사람.
Want anything?
No. Last chance. I'm good. Steve, sorry for everything that happened.
스티브는 함께했던 비숍을 처치하고 집으로 다시 돌아와 잠깐 소파에 앉아 생각에 잠기는데 비숍이 고쳐놓은 차에 올라 시동을 거는 스티브. 그런데 사실 비숍은 혹시 모를 만약에 대비하여 이 모든 걸 꾸며 놓았던 것이었죠. 그리고 죽지 않고 차에서 빠져나와 준비해둔 차량을 타고 이동하는 모습을 끝으로 영화는 마무리됩니다. 재미있게 보셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드리겠습니다. 감사합니다.